Alright, last problem on our worksheet. I just rewrote it right here. This is the original. And then I factored any denominators if possible. This is going to be really important so we can figure out what our least common denominator is. Now, least common denominator looks like it's going to be 2 times quantity x minus 1. Okay? Now, because this is an equation, I'm allowed to multiply by anything I want as long as every single term is treated equally. So, what I could do is take 4 over x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 times quantity x minus 1 equals 9 halves, and I could multiply the entire thing by our LCD, and we've seen this before. Okay, so 2 times x minus 1, 2 times x minus 1, 2 times x minus 1, right? So we have x minus 1 over x minus 1 simplifies, so I really have a 2 times a 4 left over, so I'll write that in the next row. 2 times 4 is what's left over. I have 2 and x minus 1 in common, so that simplifies down to 1, and we really just have this 1 left over. That's it. And then on this side we have a 2 in common and we have a 2 in common, so it's really just the 9 times the x minus 1 that's left. So we go ahead and multiply it out, or simplify it, like we normally would. And we see what's in common, try to simplify on each side. And frankly, I could just divide here by 9. I could expand it out, but I don't really need to. If I can go ahead and simplify, we're going to get 1 equal x minus 1. We're going to add 1 to each side. So we get x equal 2. Keep in mind that we do need to write it the conventional way, and this is our answer.